How to fix Bluetooth audio not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, on off Bluetooth, open settings, scroll down, click on connection. Here you will see Bluetooth. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. By this button you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three lines. Now turn on show system app button. Now click on OK. Now search Bluetooth. Now click on Bluetooth. Scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.